What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Iowa, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Iowa. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some mushroom Swiss burgers. They're easy, they're cheesy, and they're just a little bit greasy, baby. So let's get it started. Yes, baby, the mushroom Swiss burger. An easy weeknight meal, not a whole lot going on, but you know what? When you bite into it, it's gonna taste like something real good, baby. Something culinarily exquisite, if you will. Damn, that was a tongue twister for me to say. So, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take a little bit of this oil here. Now you can use butter if you want to, but I'm not gonna use butter because I've got oil. But you can do it anyway. Turn your heat up on high. And you want to put just enough oil or butter just to kind of coat the bottom of the pan because we don't want our mushrooms to stick to it. Now today, I went ahead and got some canned mushrooms here, see? Now you can get fresh mushrooms and you can cut them up, but I gotta tell you something, I ain't got time for that shit today, boy. The playoffs are coming on. I want to get this shit done so I can be done cooking and get ready to be looking at the game. So, put that oil in there, and then we will go ahead and dump our cans of mushrooms right into the skillet, baby. This won't take very long at all. What we're going to do is saute our mushrooms, sir. That way they get soft, they got some good flavor, and they will taste beautiful on top of that burger. Now, I'm going to pour the last can in right there, and then we will start mixing it around. Yeah, already kind of smells good. And I just put them in. So, get them spread out a little evenly. It's alright if you hear them sizzle. They ain't going to fizzle. They're going to flop, and they're going to taste good going down. Then, you go ahead and add, what do we add every time, baby? A little salt and pepper. You gotta have salt and pepper. Just gives it good flavor. Put a little bit of salt on there, and a little bit of black pepper too. Now, like I said, this won't take very long at all. I would say, with these ones that are not fresh, probably about, maybe 2 minutes. I mean, really not long at all. But with the fresh ones, you might want to go a little longer. Maybe 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. But I wouldn't go 8 minutes. So you stay at a low cooking time. Now, once we get these done, gotta stay hydrated, baby. Once we get these mushrooms done, we will go ahead and put our burgers in. And then we will be damn near done. I mean, really not a whole lot to it, man. This is an easy weeknight meal that we're making here. So, we'll go ahead and saute these bad boys up. And I will go ahead and take these out of the pan because they're pretty much done now. And let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll be right back with you, and we'll start those burgers, baby. Yes! Alright, we got our mushrooms sauteed, and they are going to be set to the side in this bowl. That means we can start on the burger. The main part of the whole thing. The last part of the whole thing. Like I said, baby, easy recipe. And to make it even easier today, I got some pre-formed patties here, baby. Once again, you can get ground beef. You can ball it up, make your own hamburgers. I mean, all you got to do really is take some ground beef, kind of pinch you out some, roll it up in a ball, pat it out flat, and get it done. But you know what? Like I said, playoffs, baby. Playoffs. Ain't got time for that shit. So we got these old pre-formed patties here today. Now, like I said, we're going to put these in here, and they will cook for about 15 minutes. You just kind of got to check them, flip them, And we are also going to add some salt and pepper on top of these. Beautiful burgers, baby. Don't cook them too long. Don't want to burn them or anything. But about 15, when they get brown, sir. When they get brown. So, we will go ahead and cook these and turn it up all the way, baby. That's the way to success, is to get high. Whether it's hopes, temperatures, or just having a good time on a Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, whatever night it is. So, we got the burgers cooking. Let's go ahead and get our salt and pepper. Salt and pepper again, baby. Double up, bubble up, get it done, baby boy. Yeah, looks good. Like I said, we'll let these cook, and about the time that they're done, then we will add on our Swiss cheese, if you please. Because what would a mushroom Swiss burger be without the Swiss? Kind of like in Cool Runnings. What do you say? Eins, Wein, dry, and push her down the ice. I love that movie, boy. Oh, and I'm gonna love these burgers. I'm gonna flip them over real quick. Look pretty good. And yeah, we'll just let them cook for a while, and we'll come back when they're about done. We'll put that cheese on top because we're not gonna stand here and wait. We gotta go get us another drinky. See you later. Okay, Doc Holliday, our burgers are just about done. So what we're gonna do now, before they get all the way done, is take our Swiss cheese and put it on top. That way it gets melted. If I get it open. Now this here Swiss cheese that I got is Crystal Farms. Wasn't too expensive, not really that bad. And a pretty good cheese. You know it's Swiss when it's got the bullet hole in it, baby. Yeah. Put that right on top of your burger. And you want to turn that heat down just a little bit, but not too much. You want to kind of keep it sizzling. Won't take long to melt that cheese, baby. And then, you know, we'll be pretty much done and we can assemble our burger. And that's what I'm ready for. But you know, like I said, you got to turn that heat down because nobody wants a burned burger. Nobody wants a burned burger. That's right there. So, we'll let that cheese melt a little bit. And once it gets good and melty and ooey gooey, and like old Snoop Dogg used to say, sticky icky icky, then we will be ready to assemble our mushroom Swiss burger. And I got to tell you what, I'm ready as hell because I want me a bite while I'm watching that game tonight. So, let's get to business. Alright baby, now we're at the point where we can finally assemble our burger. First thing we got to do is grab one of these cheesy burgers and put it on our bun. Look at that cheese stretching. And ooh, it's hot too. Now that we got the burger on there, we'll go ahead and get us just a little bit of mushroom. And it's alright if they fall off the side. Hell, you know what? You can pick them up with a fork and have them later. Or you can pick them back up with your fingers and put them back on there like I'm going to do right now. Make it presentable, you know. Take your bun, put it on top, and we are done, baby. And there is a beautiful, beautiful Swiss burger. Alright baby, the time has come. The mushroom Swiss burger is done. And I'm having the first bite for me. Here we go. Oh, that's good stuff, baby. That's a gourmet meal with time to kill. And now we got enough time to go and watch the playoffs, baby. Hope your team does well, as long as your team is the Chiefs. You know what I'm saying, baby? I hope y'all have enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.